Hey everyone, this is our group lesson on dance by Aaron, Justice, Katie, and Amanda. This lesson will be a fun, energetic new way to exercise using drumsticks and a yoga ball. After completing the lesson, students will be able to complete dance steps and fitness activities. The content standards include performing a dance, accommodate individual differences, and measure the heart rate before and after. The lesson can be modified for the visually impaired by physically guiding them through the routine, and for the hearing impaired, they can read the lyrics and follow along to the movements. For the physically impaired, for example, if a student is in a wheelchair, they can still hit the ball to the beat. If they are mentally impaired, they will still be able to stomp their feet to the best of their ability and hit the drums to the beat they think fits. For this activity, the teacher will pre-assign partners. The materials needed for this lesson is a yoga ball, a bucket or a surface to keep yoga ball in, drumsticks, an open space, a Fitbit, laptop, projector, Wi-Fi, and the speaking ball. For the teaching cues, the students will learn some dance terms such as plie and releve. They will also learn what the 2-count rhythm is and will use step together step when learning the dance. To assess the students and ensure they understand the concept, the teacher will walk around to make sure the movements are being done properly after learning each section. Once the whole routine is learned, the students will perform it 3 at a time for a teacher can see if they grasp the moves. The video of how we would teach the lesson.
So starting off, we are going to be doing a 2-count rhythm, which means 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. We will then add releve, which means standing on your toes. And as we do that, we'll move right, step together, and then to left, step together, step together. To add the rhythm, we will also do the 1, 2 motion as we do it. So step together. Next, we will go into plie, which will work our thigh muscles with the same 1, 2 rhythm. So 1, 2, the floor. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And you will alternate with your partner doing this. When you're up, they're down. When you're down, they are up. When we are finished with that, we will run in place with the same 1, 2 rhythm. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And then you repeat the routine.
And here is the demonstration of the completed dance. And that is our presentation. Thank you.